Hello and welcome to this NITAN guidance video covering the initial setup and auto search process of the NITAN multi-panel. Prior to installation, the loop devices shall have been programmed with their addresses using the handheld programmer EVAD2. Ensure the loop is complete and with a line resistance less than 22 ohms for each wire. Ensure the loop connections to the NMP SLC signal line circuit module are connected with positive and negative cable to the module and the cable screens to the panel earthing bar. Press the panel display screen and the panel will prompt for a password. Click on Admin to enter the engineer's access level 3 and the password is default 9999. Click on the engineer icon top right of the screen to view the home screen. Press the loop icon and from the list of available SLC ports, select the required loop. The panel will run an auto search of the loop devices and display a summary report. This will take about 20 seconds. The report includes a list of quantities of device types found. Check that the expected installed devices appear in the list. The total quantity of devices, double addresses, and unknown devices are shown at the top. Select the Details tab to view individual device status. Address, type, and healthy connection with side A and B of the loop will be defined by X. Loop breaks can easily be tracked to the address locations. Selecting an address in the list will activate the device LED for loop identification. If the device is listed as double, all devices at that same address will have their LEDs turned on. This allows for easy location of the device to allow for remedial action. Debase. This shows if the device seen is different to the previous database. Double exclamation marks indicate the device type was changed. Equal sign indicates it is the same as previously configured. Devices listed as unknown items are not learned into the panel database. They are newly launched devices not supported by the current firmware version in the panel. It will be necessary to update to the latest version to support these items. EN54 Part 13. This feature is not required for UL compliance and should be set as disabled. Correct any addressing issues and repeat the auto search process. The auto search is also a useful tool which can be used to quickly analyze and find any faults which may occur to the loop cabling, just to be sure not to accept any changes until the loop is complete and fault free, as device settings may be lost. When all devices in the list are as anticipated, press the door symbol to exit and ensure you select the tick when prompted to confirm changes. The auto search procedure is completed. Once the database in the panel has been updated, the devices can then be edited for configuration either on the panel screen or using the PC configuration tool after uploading the panel data. From the home screen, you can select the zone icon where you can view the list of zones. If you touch on one of the zones, the panel will display the zone details. If you click on the zone name, the panel will pop up a QWERTY keyboard where you can type the name and location for the zone. If a typing error occurs, tap the grey circle at the end of the text entry window and this will delete the previous character. The cursor can be moved using the arrow keys. When all zones are renamed as required, press the door symbol to exit and ensure you select the tick when prompted to confirm changes. From the home screen, you can select the point icon, where you can view the list of point devices. If you touch on one of the devices, the panel will pop up a QWERTY keyboard, where you can type the name and location for the devices. You can allocate the device to a specific zone by clicking on the current zone number in the right-hand column. Press tick to close the keyboard and save changes. When all points are renamed and zoned as required, press the door symbol to exit and ensure you select the tick when prompted to confirm changes. The panel must be configured with cause and effect lines to enable correct operation. Pressing the drill button may activate alarm sounders, but if unconfigured, a device alarm may not activate any sounders. Creating cause and effect lines is the subject of another NITAN guidance video, TGV-23. Please refer to the manual for further information. Thanks for watching, and for further helpful videos, please refer to the NITAN channel on YouTube.